Ah, summer. It's the season of juicy watermelon, ripe peaches, and unfortunately, those pesky fruit flies. We've all been there, watching in dismay as a swarm descends upon our fruit bowl. But don't worry, my friends. With a little know-how, you can win the battle against these tiny invaders and enjoy your summer bounty in peace. This essay will equip you with the knowledge and tools to combat fruit flies. We'll explore practical ways to identify, prevent, and eliminate these unwelcome guests from your home. From understanding their habits to crafting homemade traps, we'll cover it all. So, are you ready to reclaim your kitchen and enjoy a fly-free summer? Let's dive in. Before declaring war, it's wise to understand your opponent. In the battle against fruit flies, knowledge is your greatest weapon. Fruit flies, those tiny creatures with red eyes and a penchant for overripe produce, are masters of survival and reproduction. They are not just a nuisance, they are a marvel of nature's adaptability. They have an uncanny ability to detect even the slightest hint of fermentation, making your kitchen their prime target. The moment fruit starts to ripen, fruit flies are already on their way, drawn by the scent of potential food and breeding grounds. Fruit flies are incredibly small, measuring only about 1/8 inch long. Despite their size, they have a significant impact, especially when they invade your home in large numbers. They reproduce rapidly, with females laying up to 500 eggs at a time. This prolific breeding means that a small problem can quickly become a major infestation if not addressed promptly. These eggs hatch into larvae within a mere 24 hours, explaining why infestations can seem to explode overnight. The larvae feed on the fermenting fruit, growing quickly and perpetuating the cycle. But knowledge is power. Now that you know what attracts them and how quickly they multiply, you can take proactive steps to prevent them from setting up camp in your home. Regularly clean your kitchen, dispose of overripe fruits, and set up traps to catch any stragglers. By staying vigilant and informed, you can keep your home fruit fly-free and enjoy your produce without worry. The golden rule for preventing fruit flies is simple. Maintain a spotless kitchen. These tiny creatures are attracted to anything remotely sweet or fermented, so depriving them of their food source is key. Start by storing your fruits and vegetables properly. Refrigerate ripe produce immediately, especially bananas, tomatoes, and melons. For fruits displayed on the counter, use a mesh cover or store them in airtight containers. Next, prioritize cleanliness. Wipe down your countertops and sink daily with hot, soapy water. Don't forget to clean appliances like blenders and garbage disposals where fruit residue can accumulate. Lastly, take out the trash regularly, ensuring your bins are tightly sealed. Remember, a clean kitchen is a fruit fly-free kitchen. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, fruit flies still manage to sneak in. These tiny invaders can be incredibly persistent, finding their way into our homes through the smallest of openings. Whether it's a crack in the window or a gap in the door, they seem to have a knack for making themselves at home, especially around our precious fruits and vegetables. That's when it's time to bring out the big guns, DIY traps. These traps are not only effective, but also cost-efficient and easy to make. You don't need to spend a fortune on commercial traps when you can create your own with items you probably already have in your kitchen. These simple yet effective solutions use common household ingredients to lure and eliminate those pesky flies. Ingredients like apple cider vinegar, dish soap, and overripe fruit can be transformed into powerful traps that will have those fruit flies disappearing in no time. One popular option is the apple cider vinegar trap. Apple cider vinegar has a sweet, tangy aroma that fruit flies find irresistible. It's a tried and true method that has been used for generations. Fill a jar with apple cider vinegar, add a few drops of dish soap, and cover the top with plastic wrap. The dish soap breaks the surface tension of the vinegar, making it easier for the flies to drown once they land in the liquid. Poke small holes in the wrap, and voila! The flies will be drawn to the scent, enter through the holes, and meet their demise in the vinegar solution. It's a simple yet highly effective way to keep your kitchen fly-free. The sweet aroma will attract the flies, but they won't be able to resist the lure of the vinegar, eventually drowning in the solution. This method is not only effective, but also non-toxic, making it safe to use around food and pets. Another effective trap uses overripe fruit. Fruit flies are naturally drawn to the smell of fermenting fruit, which makes this trap particularly effective. Place a piece of overripe banana or melon in a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke holes in the top. The fermenting fruit will act as a powerful lure, drawing the flies into the trap. The flies will enter the trap, attracted by the fermenting fruit, but they won't be able to find their way out. This method is particularly useful if you have some fruit that's past its prime and you don't want to waste it. By using these DIY traps, you can effectively manage and reduce the fruit fly population in your home, ensuring a cleaner and more pleasant living environment. Drains are often overlooked breeding grounds for fruit flies. Food particles and moisture create an ideal environment for larvae to thrive. Therefore, regular cleaning is crucial for a completely fly-free kitchen. A simple baking soda and vinegar solution works wonders. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let the mixture fizz for 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. This effectively removes any lingering food particles and neutralizes odors that attract fruit flies. For a deeper clean, consider using an enzyme-based drain cleaner. These cleaners use natural enzymes to break down organic waste, eliminating the source of the problem and preventing future infestations. If DIY methods aren't your style, fret not. There are plenty of store-bought solutions that can help you tackle a fruit fly problem with ease. Several effective store-bought solutions can help you eliminate fruit flies quickly and efficiently. These products are designed to target fruit flies specifically, ensuring that you get the best results possible. Sticky traps are a popular choice among homeowners. They are simple to use and can be placed in various locations around your home. These traps use a sticky adhesive to catch flies on contact. Once the flies land on the trap, they are unable to escape, making it an effective way to reduce their numbers. Look for traps that are specifically designed for fruit flies, as they often contain attractants that are irresistible to these pests. These attractants lure the flies to the trap, increasing the chances of capturing them. Another option is to use insecticide sprays that are formulated for flying insects. These sprays can be very effective in killing fruit flies on contact. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully and use them in well-ventilated areas. It's important to ensure that the spray is used safely to avoid any potential health risks. For a more proactive approach, consider using an electric fruit fly trap. These devices are designed to attract and capture fruit flies using advanced technology. These traps use UV light to attract flies and then trap them on a sticky glue board. The UV light is highly effective in drawing the flies in, making it a reliable solution for long-term control. They are a safe and effective way to eliminate fruit flies without using any chemicals. This makes them an excellent choice for households with children or pets, as there are no harmful substances involved. In addition to using these store-bought solutions, it's important to maintain a clean environment. Regularly clean your kitchen surfaces and dispose of any overripe fruits or vegetables that may attract fruit flies. Make sure to seal your trash bags tightly and take out the garbage regularly to prevent fruit flies from finding a breeding ground. Inspect your windows and doors for any gaps or cracks where fruit flies might enter. Sealing these gaps with weather stripping can help keep these pests out of your home. Place fruit fly traps near areas where you have noticed the most activity, such as near fruit bowls or trash cans. Check the traps regularly and replace them as needed to ensure continuous protection. With these store-bought solutions and a few preventative measures, you can enjoy a fly-free kitchen and a more pleasant living environment. Say goodbye to fruit flies and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to winning the war against fruit flies. By understanding their habits and employing a combination of preventative measures, DIY traps and store-bought solutions, you can enjoy a peaceful and fly-free summer. Remember, cleanliness is key. Keep your kitchen spotless, store your produce properly, and address any potential breeding grounds like drains. And if those pesky flies still manage to sneak in, don't hesitate to deploy your arsenal of traps and solutions. For more tips and tricks on maintaining a clean and welcoming home, be sure to check out my other articles and resources. Here's to a happy, healthy, and fly-free summer.